Alright, so now let us do the C part of the question. The C part of the question says the point S has coordinates AB. I'm thinking that we might need some space. So let's clear some stuff. Alright, we need all this information here, so let's leave that. Let's clear here. Alright, so we're told that the point S has coordinates AB. I write QS as a column, the point S has coordinates AB. Write QS as a column vector in terms of A and B. Alright, so we need QS as a column vector. QS. Now first of all, S has coordinates what? A, B. Now QS would be equal to QO plus OS. So QO would be minus 1, 3. OS would be AB. So this is going to be negative times a negative is a positive. 1 plus A. And this is minus 3 plus B. Alright, so that would be QS in terms of that would be QS as a column vector in terms of A and B. Then we're asked to, given that QS is equal to OP, so here we're told that QS, vector QS, is equal to the vector OP. So QX, which is what? 1 plus A minus 3 plus B, is equal to OP, which is 3, 2. We're asked to what? Calculate the values of A and the value of A and the value of B. But this is easy. You have two matrices and they're equal, so corresponding elements must be equal. So 1 plus A must be equal to 3. So A would be 3 minus 1, which is 2. Positive 1 goes over and become negative. Minus 3 plus B would be equal to 2. And B would be equal to 2 plus 3. B would be equal to 5. So the value of A, so A is 2 and B is 5. Using a vector method, so 2, 5 is where S is, so S would be here. This is S, it's 2, 5. So now I can draw that shape. Alright, and QS, vector QS, which is now what? 1 plus A minus, I don't even need to go through all that. QS is equal to what? OP. So QS is equal to 3, 2. Alright, that's what we're told. So it says what? Use a vector method to show that OPQS is a parallelogram. Well, to show that a shape is a parallelogram, you need to show that at least one pair of opposite sides are equal and what? That vectors on opposite sides of the shape are what? Are equal vectors. That's all we have to do to show it. Because if these two are equal vectors, it means that they will have the same magnitude and the same direction. Same magnitude means that the lengths are the what? Same. And the fact that they are the same direction, it means that they are parallel. And if opposite sides are equal and parallel, the shape is a parallelogram. Alright, but we're given that QS is equal to what? OP. But let us just find out if what would be the vector PS. Well, it's easy. We could get it by inspection. PS by inspection. PS would be the vector what? I'd have to go what? 1 left and 3 up. So it's what? Minus 1, 3. Now, PS is equal to what? OQ, which is equal to what? Minus 1, 3. Therefore, PS, the line PS, is equal to the line OQ, that's equal in length. Alright, in length. And PS, the line PS is parallel to the line OQ. Therefore, OPSQ, therefore OPSQ is a parallelogram. Why a parallelogram? Because opposite sides OQ and PS are equal vectors. If they're equal vectors, it means that the line OQ and the line PS are equal in length, and that the line OQ and PS are what? Are parallel. Now if you have a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel, that quadrilateral is a parallelogram.